Kapag may desisyon ka bang kailangan gawin sa buhay, kapatid, nanghihingi ka ng direction kay Lord. Yung nanghihingi ka ng signs kung aprobado ba kay Lord, kung meron bang guidance ni Lord ang gagawin mong pagdidesisyon sa buhay. Alam niyo mga kapatid, in seeking God's direction, it is important na dapat alam natin that God desires us na magtiwala sa Kanya at isik yung wisdom na nagmumula sa Kanya. The Bible provides guidance. Oo, may sinasabi ang Biblia tungkol dito on how to approach decision making. It also shows that God can confirm His will on various ways. Let's take for example itong si Gideon. Ayon sa Book of Judges, kung saan si Gideon ay nanghingi ng sign kay Lord to confirm yung direction na ibinibigay sa kanya ni Lord. Sa Judges 6 verses 36 to 40, nakasulat doon, Gideon said to God, "If you will save Israel by my hand, as you have said, look, I shall put a fleece of wool on the threshing floor. If there is dew on the fleece only," kapag may hamog doon sa fleece, "but it is dry on all the ground, then I shall know that you will save Israel by my hand." Ano ba yung fleece? Yung fleece ay yung coating ng tupa. Parang fabric siya. Na sabi niya, kapag may hamog doon sa fleece at yung paligid naman na pinaglalapagan ng fleece ay tuyo, ibig sabihin, you will save Israel sa pamamagitan ko. Yan ang sabi ni Gideon. Tuloy natin sa verse 38, "And it was so, when he rose early in the next morning and squeezed the fleece, he wrung the dew of the fleece." Napiga niya yung fleece at may naipon ngang tubig dito sa bowl full of water. Then Gideon said to God, "Do not be angry with me, but let me speak just once more." Gusto niya pang humirit. Gusto niya ng confirmatory. Sabi niya, "Let me test, I pray, just once more with the fleece. Let it now be dry only on the fleece, but on all the ground, let there be dew." Binaliktad naman niya, "Lord, para ma-confirm ko lang, baliktarin naman natin, kung tuyo tong fleece at yung buong paligid ay basa, confirmed na talaga yung una kong hinihiling at tinatanong sa'yo." And God did that, so that night, it was dry on the fleece only, but there was dew on all the ground. So na-meet yung request ni Gideon na magpakita ng signs with God's patience and grace. So pwede pala tayong ganon, manghingi tayo ng sign sa Panginoon kung tama ba yung ating pagdidesisyon. Basta tayo magtiwala sa Panginoon, trust in the Lord with all of your heart and lean not on your own understanding, and He shall direct your path. So kapatid, kung meron kang desisyon na kailangan mong gawin sa buhay, seek God through prayer, reading His Word, magbasa ka ng Bible, maaring i-reveal niya doon yung kanyang gustong gawin para sa iyong buhay. Trust that God will guide you according to His perfect will. Good luck kapatid sa mga desisyon.